Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 21/6/2025 and the time is roughly around 10 o'clock. Nothing happening in the entire June month, zigzag movement, from top to bottom, again from bottom to top and all that happening. But it is trading within two major dates. One was the mother candle of the year, which was 12th May and which was the book date also. And the top made on 11th June, which is again, the book date. So it is trading within these two book dates for the entire month. I think roughly around 20 days was over and we have another 5 days to expiry, 10 days to monthly closing. Lot of zigzag, but just watch how the number which we gave on the first day of June, and it is respecting all those numbers and it is dancing within those numbers. Okay, let's go and check all that. So now when it comes to your EMA, SMA, nothing to worry about. It is closed above 20 SMA unless and until it is not going to close below 50 SMA. Nothing to worry about in this market. And coming to Fibonacci, so now this angle has to be crossed on the upper side by the Nifty to go and achieve the all-time high. After that we will give what is the target, but till it is not breaching this 25,305 and especially this angle, it is going to be trading only within this 0.618 to 0.786. that is where the dancing is happening every time. So it is trading within those two Fibonacci retracement numbers. And coming to pitchfork, this is what we told that the 12th mother candle high and low and 11th June, which we said that it's a book date. So it is trading again within this two major dates, and the rounding pattern is still valid. It has not broken the low of the pattern. So till that time, nothing to worry about it. So let's see whether it is able to cross above that level. If it crosses, then we clearly said the target is roughly around 28,539. On the higher side, more or less, it may touch on August 25, but it is not that thing. You need to watch this area crucially. Okay. Now let's come to Ichimoku, and again this is our POB. So now on the POB front, it has to cross above this number to achieve 1, 2 and the third target. Okay. So now when it comes to Ichimoku, as of now, nothing to worry about it. The convergence here, and it closed above the convergence, so nothing to worry about it, and the cloud is also big. Okay, but still the one number which is literally taking the number for a toss, which is 25,108 to 25,131. This is the crucial area. The market is struggling again to close above this number. Every time when it goes and touches this number, it is coming back, and it is going down and taking the support again and coming back and retesting. Even if you take yesterday's high, it is 21,131, which was the clear-cut resistance of the market. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. Again, nothing to worry about it when it comes to EMA, SMA and all that. Coming to Fibonacci, we clearly said that above this number, if you do the Fibonacci extension, this is the first target, got rejected, again came down, again this is the second target based on the Fibonacci. Then again, if it moves above, the crucial area is these two for the Bank Nifty spot, and then break above all these numbers, and this is the final target, and move above this. Based on the Gann angle, the target is 65,412. Till it holds this Gann angle, this particular line, till it is above this particular line, the target is 65,412. Another 10,000 points move on the cards, okay, or roughly around 9,000 points, whatever it is. Okay, so this is the final target, 65,412. Now coming to pitchfork, again nothing much movement. It has to cross above this. This will be the resistance area, so nothing to talk about much when it comes to pitchfork. And again, when it comes to Ichimoku, absolutely there is no worry. It closed above again the baseline and the conversion line. And again, see how to trade the POB in daily. So now it closed above the decider number. You need to take the entry on the retracement, and your stop loss is this. But this stop loss, a candle must to close below the stop loss, then only your stop loss gets hit. Otherwise the stop loss is still intact. Until now it is not able to close below this number, so it is still intact. So now once it crosses again, closes above, this is high positional bets. The target is 58,390, 59,918 and 62,272. This is the crucial last target. Okay, and this is the major resistance area. Normally the second POB number will act as a major resistance area. As of now, on the bull side, it has not taken the stop loss because this is actually for at least 3 months to 6 months positional bets. This is not for intraday or 5 minutes time frame. This is the bigger positional bets because the target is roughly around 9,000 points, which is roughly around more than 8-9% of the entire index. Okay, so now let's talk about the numbers which we gave on the 1st of June, which is already here, and I am talking only about the spot numbers. Okay, now let's talk in detail about that. So now first, okay, so the June started here, the first day, and the last number is 24,532, and we need to see this on a 30 minutes time frame. Okay, we need to trade this on a 30 minutes time frame because we clearly mentioned in that video also, all the numbers are based on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so now we need to watch this on a 30 minutes time frame. So now let's go to that number. So now the low number got intact, none of the candle closed to below. Again it went up, but exactly got rejected at the buy number. So there is no buy initiated. So now buy initiated above here. So then exactly first target is 25,012, touched and closed there. And the next target is 25,131, which again the next day. Then the third target is 25,220. This is the exact high. Again it came down. It closed to below the buy number. It closed to below the buy number here. Next day gap down. Again it took the support at 24,532. Then again it closed above. So once it closed above, you can take the retracement entry. The stop loss is, if it is in Nifty, the stop loss is 144 points because this is monthly. 144 points from this number to this number, which is 144 points. Okay, if it is weekly it is 54 points, if it is monthly it is 144 points. So now again it came back, touched that 144, went back, again it came back, touched the 144, went back, and now again the first target is done. Yesterday exactly again 25,131. And we clearly mentioned if you go here on that day, that number is very clear here. We already marked in yellow line also that this is going to be the crucial area, and the next one is 25,220. Okay, so now this one page is more than enough for you to trade the entire day, and we clearly mentioned 24,532. Below this it will be bearish. So now if you go here, that was a number from the June month. The June started here, but exactly this is where it is again and again taking support. Okay, right. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. So now Bank Nifty again, not closed above. It closed above. Again it went back. First target, second target, but third target is really missed by roughly around 40 points on the top. Then again came back, got rejected. Again came back, got rejected. Then it came back and closed to below the buy number. It closed to below the buy number. Then it is a short position. Next day gap down. Exactly the sell area, which is 55,157. So now if you go here, if you go to Bank Nifty, it is 55,157. Sell below this number on a 30 minutes closing basis. So now again if you go to the Bank Nifty, that was the exact bottom again. From June 2nd, this was the exact bottom, touched, again it went back, got rejected at the buy number, again closed. Now once it closes above, the stop loss is 288 points from the buy number. 288 points from the buy number, 144 into 2. Okay, so now again it went back, so now we need to watch again whether it is going to go and do this 3 targets. But when it comes to convergence, the convergence, whatever it happened yesterday, it is actually, it should not have happened yesterday. See, now this will act as a major resistance. See, we went long yesterday, we made money, that's a different issue altogether. But when there is a convergence in red, it should go back and reject here and it has to come down. But yesterday, it went up, and once it breaks, no stopping, because this is a convergence number and it is going achieved most of the targets on the higher side. Normally this should not happen, but yesterday it happened. This is the third convergence, because last 2 convergence gave us solid money. And again for tomorrow the convergence is still intact. So now if you go here, see, always remember, if it is a bullish convergence, the market has to come back and take the Ashirwad from here, from there only it has to turn. From there only it has to turn. See, now today market closed much above this level, but it has to come back again to touch this level to do 350 points in Nifty future. Okay, so now watch out for this number. So now till all the numbers are bullish, I think nothing to worry about it. And again, when it comes to Bank Nifty, so now again when it comes and touches here, take the entry here, stop loss 144 points, then move. In case if it is not touching and moving above, giving that 750 points in a single day will be difficult, because this is the support area. It has to come and respect that number, and from there only it has to bounce. So now, where is the stop loss? The entry is here, highest number. The stop loss is lowest number, minus 144. Okay, again when you go to Nifty future, if tomorrow if the market opens gap up, if it comes down and touches, you need to take the entry here, highest number, stop loss 24,900 minus 54 points. That is what we mentioned here. Okay, minus 54 points. Now as of now all the numbers are bullish. But again, I don't believe this, because it has to come and respect the number. If it is bullish, it has to come and respect that number. From there, it should take a U-turn. If it is bearish, it has to go back and reject, and it has to fall down. For example, if you go to the second convergence, which happened, I think on 6th of June, exactly it went back, touched that number, and from there it gave 750 points on a single day. So that is these 3 numbers or 4 numbers will act as a magnet for the Nifty future. Again, when it comes to Bank Nifty future, these 5 numbers or 4 numbers, whatever it is. So these 5 numbers will act as a magnet. Market try to pull towards it, and from there it takes a U-turn. Okay. So now use this number wisely. Again, I am not changing any number, because market is trading only within those numbers. So the numbers which I gave on the 1st of June, it is still continuing when it comes to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. So now the market will become extremely bullish when it closes above this number. And it got rejected exactly in this number. This is actually for weekly, but for my monthly, you need to go and take the numbers from the 1st June number, and you can use it for the entire month. Okay. Now let's go to the main part. So now again we had a major date, which was yesterday, and again the impact will be there on even for Monday. So again first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic till the market holds this low. It is bullish till 21st of September or 22nd of September. Okay. So this particular high and low is valid for the next 3 months. This particular high and low is valid for the next 3 months. Okay. The next important date is happening on 24th, but 26th is going to be very, very crucial day, because it's going to be expiry day with the astro aspect, especially Mercury. So we are again going to do the live trading on that day to capture the expiry trade. Let's see whether what market is going to offer to us on 26th of June. Okay. So now again to you know how to trade this number already. These numbers are there with you. How to trade this number is there a video available, so kindly go and watch this. And again for tomorrow I will give you this number for weekly so that you can trade the weekly expiry. And coming to the thing, whatever I explained, so now this is the weekly range for Nifty. Okay, so now market dancing within the book dates high and low, which is 12th May to 11th June. And again, price pattern, yesterday it gave 300 points in Nifty future and roughly around 700 points in Bank Nifty future. But actually that is not the convergence move. The convergence move has to happen. It has to happen on the rejection and it come down and give that number. Or tomorrow it has to come and touch the bullish number, and from there it has to give 350 points on the higher side. Okay. So now the solar light impact is still there, and still the numbers, the Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty future and Nifty future number still intact. So possibility of a move, but again first 15 minutes high and low is the key for tomorrow. Okay. So now this is the timing for Monday. So kindly use that timing, and I have already given you how to trade these numbers. So I did nothing to talk about it, and we'll go to yesterday's thing. So now when it comes to fortune signals, it gave a fake sell in 1 hour, and from there it moved. Again, when it comes to Bank Nifty, it gave a fake sell and it moved. So now how to trade this? Very simple. Whenever there is a fake sell in any time frame, mark that candle high, mark that candle low. Once any candle closes above this candle high, wait for the retracement, take the entry here, stop loss this low, and target you can use it. But as of now, when it comes to hourly, it is clearly at the resistance. Bank Nifty clearly at the resistance. Again, when it goes to Nifty, same, mark the high and low and take the trade. But Nifty is more or less much better when it comes to this thing. And yesterday our live trading webinar, this is where we took the entry in the morning, because this is a perfect Sangamam. The pink, blue and the red, it gave us Sangamam here. We took the entry and it was a phenomenal rally till up to here. It is roughly around more than 200 points move from year to year. So now if you take this, roughly around 170 points. But we said very clearly that we should not sell, because again in 1 minute it is a fake G sell. In 1 minute again it is a fake G sell. Again you need to mark the high, mark the low, take the trade. So this is how the fake sell will do a wonder when it comes to taking an entry with a very small stop loss. And this is Nifty 1 minute time frame, and it clearly identified the bottom in G sell. But when it comes to Bank Nifty, if you go to 1 minute time frame, again the convergence happened here in the morning. It touched the blue, and from there it started and moved phenomenally. Again it gave a fake sell here. None of the candle closed to below this sell candle. So now again the move started. This is where you need to exit, because this candle closed to below in case if you are intraday player. Otherwise, if you take G sell, your entry was here, you need to exit. But this is for the intraday player, and for the positional player, still it is intact. Still it is intact for the positional player, and from year to year roughly around 432 points with a very small stop loss. This was our live trading trade yesterday with the members. Okay, so that's all. Nothing more to add in this thing. Let's see if there is anything interesting. We will try to post it from Monday. Okay, until then, goodbye. So today is International Yoga Day. Start practicing yoga. That is what is going to help you in your trading, not the strategies or not the indicators. Okay, so keep all those separate. You don't need all that. Concentrate on your mind. So you need to be relaxed when you are trading in the market, because market give a lot of trigger a lot of emotion. So you need to be calm, composed So I always say my people that, leave the strategy aside, buy, sell, concentrate on your breathing. The breath is very important and it takes care of your emotion. So concentrate on that, do a lot of pranayama every day, at least 9 times in a day. And whenever you take any positions, and if you are fearing, fear of loss, something like that, close your eyes, concentrate on your breathing, take deep, inhale and exhale at least for 9 times. Open your eyes and then the chart will look clean and your emotions will not be there. So the market is nothing but you, it is not the strategy. So understand it and practice from tomorrow. Okay, see you, bye.